Hello everyone, this is Ms.Hamida's channel, so let's start. The O sound, like two, it's not two, two. Mow, to mow the lawn. Bow, to greet someone, you have to bow in Japan. He is bowing, bow. Low, can you lower your voice? Low. Owl, it's a cute owl. Snow. Show. What's your favorite show? Show. Below. Look below. Foo. It was close. Thanks God it didn't happen. Foo. Slow down. Slow. Throw. Matthew was mowing the lawn 2 days ago. Matthew was mowing the lawn 2 days ago. Answer the questions below. Answer the questions below. The snail moves slowly. The snail moves slowly. Recharge your phone. The battery is low. Recharge your phone. The battery is low.